विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता रणधीर जायसवाल कहते हैं, हमने वह पोस्ट देखी है जिसका आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं। ये किसी व्यक्ति की निजी राय है और तथ्यों से काफी मुंबई अहमदाबाद हाई स्पीड ट्रेन को लेकर भारत और जापान के बीच बातचीत वास्तव में अच्छी तरह आगे बढ़।
With facts, India-Japan discussions on Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed train are in fact progressing well. Japan will provide E20 train series, but only in early 2030s. The train in question is still under development. Meanwhile, construction work has rapidly progressed. First section will be opened in 2027 itself. Therefore, both sides agreed to start the operations with Indian high-speed train. The signaling equipment has been ordered accordingly and is in line with international specifications. No Japanese offer was received in this context. The project execution is in line with the common goal of starting the high-speed train project